Did you know you can look like $1 million at the office without spending a fortune? Let's kick things off with jaw-dropping Indian office outfits that will have all eyes on you the moment you walk into the room. Hey there, fashionistas. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Indian office outfits where tradition meets modernity in the most stylish way possible. Get ready to be blown away by all these quad sets which are all below rupees 600. And all these are summer-friendly cotton material quad sets. How do you combine comfort and style in a single look? Of course, with a coordinated outfit. This set I am wearing is the perfect example where style, quality and fit makes this piece a must-have in your collection. It's so comfortable and easy breezy to wear, and the beautiful lavender color is so eye-soothing and gives a sense of calmness. It's a beautiful printed quad set with full sleeves to protect your hands from tanning. Next is this beautiful quad set which caught my attention because of how smart and on trend the design is given the price. It's made out of pure 100% cotton and feels super soft against your skin. This set from Meesho offers a cohesive and seamless look. The embroidery on the kurta and the pant reflects sheer luxury and sophistication, keeping you comfortable throughout the day. And all of this will cost you only rupees 512. For the next option, I have this floral printed set. It's a pure cotton floral printed set that will keep you comfortable without compromising on the style quotient. It's easy, effortless and chic at the same time. The soothing white color and the summery floral print add that touch of sophistication and class to this outfit. Always keep two things in mind while buying a quad set. Number one, buy something you like, and number two, buy sets that you think you can wear separately. For this particular set, the style looks fresh and modern, and the beautiful and vibrant print with a bright blue color makes it a fabulous choice. I styled it with minimal jewelry, a strap sandal and a shoulder bag, and yes, you can style it separately in multiple ways. I am just sharing two out of it. It's a complete paisa vasool option. There are numerous outfits that keep you comfortable while keeping you stylish and snug. One such outfit is this almost dreamy quad set. Price and fabric should be enough for a reason to invest in this option, but the fact that it's so chic and on trend makes it a winner. This particular set from Myntra in this whole collection is the only piece which is not under rupees 600, but trust me, it's completely worth the price. Wear it to the office for those casual Fridays, or you can also reserve it for any outing or get together on the weekends. And yes, you can style this set also in multiple ways. The options are endless. Next up is this beautiful printed quad set where tradition meets modernity. The ethnic print makes it look traditional, whereas the high-low cut of the kurta and overall style adds that modernness to it. This set gives a very Indo-Western kind of vibe when paired with oxidized silver jewelry. You can wear it to endless occasion apart from your workplace just by styling it with statement pieces and a bag, and you have yourself a winner. For the last option, chosen this stunning off-white and teal green printed A-line quad set. This kurta is a free-flowing A-line cut and is perfectly flattering for various body shapes, as the A-line silhouette elongates the torso and offers a slimming effect. The pant is tailored to perfectly complement the voluminous kurta. The fabric is 100% rayon and is very comfy for those hot and humid office days. This kurta offers a very smart and very classy look. You can wear it to numerous places for different occasions apart from your workplace. As we wrap up our style session, don't forget to comment below and let me know which is your favorite among all these quad sets. Before I say goodbye, show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more fabulous outfit ideas and fashion inspirations for every occasion. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay fabulous.